welcome to a new vlog. And the title is, using movement and dance. And what a good opportunity now. As you know, I'm doing a series that kind of highlights the importance of integrating the arts when teaching a second language. All right, so today I would like you to encourage using more movement. I know that you move with the kids, but I want you to use more movement and dance. Research proves that there is a connection, between vocabulary with dance and movement. They both stimulate the brain, accessing the left and the right hemisphere. So I'm going to share with you a way in which you can stimulate the brain, learn content in an engaging way, and I'm going to share with you 3 activities. The first one is movement, so students can act out a concept. In science, social studies, and math, they are learning a lot of concepts that are probably a little bit abstract. So ask them to act out with their bodies. For example, if they are learning about a moving stream, tell them to act out with their bodies, how to splatter, how they splash, how they flow, right? And this could be used for anything, have them act the different seasons of the year, a story. How does a soldier walk, the character in the story? Have the kids move, very important. Have them get up from their seats. Okay, the second strategy is one of my favorite. Our ELL kids need to learn dances from the American culture. Teach them how to square dance. If you go into YouTube, you can find the basic steps, you put the kids in groups of 8. So there are 4 pairs of 2 kids each. You try and get a girl and a boy together, and you'll have a square of 8 students. All right, and then you teach them the steps, and they're very easy, So it would be square your sets, bow to your corner, and bow to your partner, and all join hands, circle left, circle to the right, do-si-do your corner, do-si-do your partner. And then you could add like swing your partner, promenade. The kids, let them use their creativity. They will come up with new steps. Excellent for vocabulary, for aural comprehension, getting them up from their seats. And what research says is that this deepens learning. They will be ready to learn, in an engaging way. And the third strategy is, we need to use some deep breathing, to re-energize. It's a brain break. But what I want you to do is to use deep breathing to review the vocabulary that you have taught in class. So for example, breathe in, breathe out. And when we go breathe in, the word person. And then breathe out, persona. Similarity, similitudes. Connection, conexión. Differences, diferencias. So what are you doing? You're reviewing the vocabulary in a dual language program in English and Spanish, those cognates. But you could also use it to review your vocabulary for language arts, for math, summa, sum, right? So, a great way to review, get them a chance to practice, get up from their seats, And so please, teachers, we are going through challenging times. You need to have fun in the classroom as well. So let's celebrate using arts in the classroom in a way that will engage your students and get them up and going and deepening understanding. So hasta luego, adios, goodbye, have a great week.